Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And today we are going to look on this particular car. Actually, it is not an unboxing because I got it this way. See, this is the Lamborghini Huracan LP6104, and this is by Kinsmart. So let's just go through it and see how it is. Okay, its body is made of metal, and this color combination is really good. Okay, as you guys can see, here is the top view. See, it has a very good engine detailing. Hope this is clear to you guys. Actually, Kinsmart products are really nice. It has a very good, actually it has a very great detail for the price range. Okay, and here is the interior. Let's see if I can get you a good look again. Okay, yeah. And this is a pullback car. Okay, I really wanted Kinsmart to make free wheel cars instead of a pullback car. That would be really nice. Here is a 360-degree view. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. Thank you so much guys.